Hi friends. Our meeting was cut short because of time limits on Zoom and we had some technical difficulties. So I just wanted to make a super short video to re-explain what I was talking about before the meeting ended. So your goal for this week's performance task is to use the graphic organizer and read a text of your own choosing. You can choose one of the texts from the collection I made on Epic. The link for that is in the lesson plans, or you can use your own informational text. After you read your informational text, you are going to use this graphic organizer and you are going to fill in the topic for your text, the central idea for your text, and the evidence you have to support your thinking. This then makes your justification a whole lot easier. So here is the work we did together with this graphic organizer, and all I did was turn it into a justification here. I took this and just turned it into a sentence here. The central idea of this text is, and you can use that as a sentence starter. That's totally fine. And then I took just directly here from here. It's the same words. That dolphins are super smart animals that can be trained to help others in ways that people cannot. Then you are using another sentence starter that we use sometimes. When I read, okay, that they are super smart animals that are easily trained and use echolocation to see underwater dangers, I realized that dolphins are unique animals and can help others. Now, yours will be a little bit longer because we have more than just one or two pieces of evidence, right? We had a lot for this text, and that's going to be here. I want to show you the rubric that I will be using this week, and that is here. While it runs very slowly. Okay, so all I did was retype the performance task here. Step 1, Step 2, Step 3, Step 4. Here's the TEK that we are focusing on for this week. Then you are going to do these 4 things, okay? To get a 95 proficient, you are going to complete the graphic organizer, right? Turn that into me. Turn in your justification. And inside that justification, you are going to show me that you identified the central idea and you have evidence to support your thinking. Okay? If you do 3 out of the 4 things, that gets you closer to an 85. 2 of the 4, right? 75. 1 of the 4, 65. And if you don't turn anything into me at all, that's a 0. So you'll be turning in 2 things to me this week. Your graphic organizer and your justification. Okay? You are more than welcome to type these things out in PowerPoint if you'd like, and then just screenshot this and turn it into Seesaw that way. Whatever works best for you, okay? I want this to be as easy as possible. And remember, if you want to work on this assignment with me, video call me. Let's do it together. We've got this. You guys are crazy smart kiddos, and I know that you can do it, but sometimes you just need those little nudges to help your thinking, and that's why I'm here. If you need me, call me, okay? You guys are going to do amazing things this week, so I will talk to you soon. Good job today, guys.